one, how will you solve this such a question there? Imagine yourself, you see something like this there. How will you do? So for this one, what you can do, make sure every denominator it's been factorized completely. So for you guys to factorize this thing, now I won't be using a quadratic equation. I'll just use it here, a simplest method, the one that I just showed you there. So they will just say 5y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 plus, here I should take negative 1 as a common factor, so that this thing will be rearranged like this there, plus 3. Then a simplest method, guys, that you're supposed to know as a grade 11 learner is for you to say open bracket, close, open bracket, close, divide there by 2y2 minus 7. Do you see? Do you see that y? That y, guys, it's y2. It means it's y2 there. And now I shall find the factors of this thing. The factors of 2, guys, it's only 1 and 2 there. Then I'll say bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. Then when I say negative, they will have different sign, meaning here it's negative. Do you see this thing? Yeah. And now this is what will happen now. These two signs will multiply together. This is what will happen when they multiply together, which is 5y plus 4 divided by y plus 2. Different sign give you negative there. 2y plus 3 divided by y1, which is here is this. The reason why, guys, I want to make sure, guys, that you know how to factorize it, because when it goes to trigonometry, there will be a time whereby they will need you to factorize. So it's a problem for a learner who doesn't know how to factorize. So make sure, guys, that you revise the factorizing. So now let's find our LCD. Our LCD, guys, we take everything from a denominator, but what is repeating, we count it once there. Meaning this, it's y plus 2, which is this there. Yeah. So okay, now that LCD, guys, will multiply to our numerator there. And okay, let me just do it there. So meaning this thing, they will multiply there. Let me try to write it here because of a small space that I see, which is this thing there. It's y plus 2 y minus that, divide there. Do you see? And now here we got this thing there, which is this thing, it's minus y plus 3, which is there, it's y plus 2 y minus that, divided by y minus this. Do you see? Which is all of this thing, they're supposed to be equated with what? Supposed to be equated with this thing there, which is 2y2 17, which is here, it's y plus 2 y1. I hope, guys, you can see my writing there. It's because that I don't have enough space, but now I will use a space there that I see. I can see the space here. Yeah. So now this is what will happen. This cancel with this. This will cancel with that. This cancel here. This cancel there. So this is what now will happen, guys. Here's this paper. Yeah. So this is what will happen there. So this is what will happen. Meaning now after I cancel, I will have 5y plus 4. I hope, guys, you can see all of this thing. So which is there, it's y this minus there, which is 2y plus 3 and y plus 2, which is now on my right hand side. I will only left with this thing there. Do you see? So now this is what will happen, guys. The most important part here that I want you to take note the way I will simplify this one there. Because there I expand everything, there will be expand, even here I will expand. Yeah. So but this one, guys, because that we got that negative, it must be inside the brackets after you expand it there. So this multiply there, which is 2y squared, this multiply there, which is plus 4y squared, this multiply there, it's plus, guys, I'm kidding there, it's not supposed to be square. This multiply there is this multiply there is this now multiply there, it's plus 3y, this multiply there, it's plus 6. Then on this other side, this multiply there, it's 5y squared minus 5y plus 4y, which is minus 4 there. Do you see? The reason why that minus, guys, it's outside, because that minus, guys, will involve everything here. And the moment it involve it, it will change the what? the sign there, meaning it will change the sign, become like this thing there. Do you see? And what I have recognized, guys, is that when you're doing simultaneous, that negative, it will like to confuse you. Please take note about it. So which is why to, yeah. So now let me just simplify this thing fast and quick. Now which one are the like term here? This, it's a like term with this. And okay, let me, actually let me first simplify this thing. These are the like term together, like term together. So now this is what will happen. These will cancel, and this proceed with that term. There is supposed to get minus y. This and that there is supposed to get 3y, and this with that one there is supposed to get 10. Yeah, I hope, guys, everything that I press it correct. Take that thing down that other side, they change the sign there. Do you see? Which is now these are the like term, which is 2. This doesn't have a like term, which is 8y. This and that they will give me what? 7, positive 7. So this thing, guys, I can factorize it without even using a quadratic equation. Open, close, 0. This is y2. So that's 7 there. The factors of 7, it's 1 and 7. Bigger factor, take the sign of a middle term. If now I see positive there, they should have the same sign. Then now I equate each thing by 0 there. So meaning my second answer is 7. Then for this one, it's 1. Then for you guys to confirm your answer, is it correct or wrong, press this thing there on a quadratic equation. You will see these are the answers that you're supposed to get them. So all of that question there, it came from where? It came from here. There. Yeah. So another key thing, guys, that you should know. The reason why we are simplifying too much fractions in grade 11, because we want to improve our algebra, guys. A learner who knows how to deal with fractions, that learner become the most dangerous learner there, guys, in algebra. So make sure that fraction, you know them, so that when you simplify like term there, when you are simplifying simultaneous, do you see, you will know what to do. So thank you for your time, guys.